So I'm out here in the garden on this beautiful winter day. It's late January, and I promised you a video on how to go about pruning your goji berry plants for maximum berry production. Today I'm going to be going through that with you. So as you can see, these goji berry plants are all dormant at this time. They've lost all their foliage as they're a deciduous plant. This is the best time to go about doing your pruning. So there's three things I'm going to be doing to prune back these plants. The first thing is I'm going to go towards the base of where all the growth is, and I'm going to take out some of these main stalks. I want to thin it out just so it's got enough space so that the lateral growth can grow out without overcrowding each other. The next thing I'm going to do from there is to take the height down a bit. I'm going to bring these down to about probably 6 or 7 feet tall. I want them nice and tall as they're part of my living fence structure around the chicken run area. But left alone, these plants will grow 12, 13 feet tall, which is fine. So it's all based upon your preference. And then once I've thinned out the base of the plant and brought down the tops, what I'm going to do is go through and thin out some of the lateral growth here. The lateral growth is the side branching that comes off of these main stalks. And you're going to want to leave at least 5 or 6 of these per stalk. If you've got 10 or 12, you can cut a few of those back. And check this out. One of these lateral branches here is already starting to push out some new growth here in January, zone 9B. And this is going to be where the new berry production occurs. So that's why leaving the lateral growth on each stalk is so important. All right, so we've got some serious crowding at the base of this plant. And now I'm just going to go and thin some of this out. That looks pretty good. We got about 6 main stalks coming up. Now I'm just going to work on getting these out of here. I don't want to cause any damage to the stalks that I've left here, so I'm just going to make some cuts to make it easier to pull this out in sections. And you might want to wear gloves when doing this. There's not thorns on these plants, but they can be kind of sharp. Now all the wood that you remove from the goji berries can easily be used to propagate new plants. I prefer to use tip branching, but you can use any part of the wood. Basically you just want to cut it down to about 8 inches or so and just stick it in the soil and it'll grow. You can also add a little bit of rooting hormone to the bottom of the cutting if you want, but these are very easy to propagate. So save some of that wood and propagate some new plants, either to proliferate your patch of goji or to give some plants away. Now I'm just going to prune out some of this lateral growth here. As you can see, we've got a cluster of lateral growth going in every direction here. We don't need that much. Like I said, just about 5, 6, even 7 of these lateral shoots on each stalk is just fine. Take some of these smaller ones out here. And as you can see over here, I just shorten these lateral branches. That's a good technique that works as well. On this branch here, there's probably 7 or so buds. So we got plenty of new growth where berries will be formed. And it's kind of hard to really pick this up on camera and show you in detail, but I'm doing my best here, guys. But I'm going to try to not overdo it with the pruning. I can always come back around as the new foliage starts to flush out and do a little bit more maintenance pruning. But I'm really happy with the way this plant's looking now. So I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next 2 to the left here. And again, some of the lateral growth, I'm not taking completely out, I'm just shortening it. So that's the way that I prune my gojis. I've got a few more over here as well, and once I finish, I'll give you one final look at how everything turned out. Alright, so I'm all finished up now. Took me all but maybe 30 minutes to prune back 7 fully mature plants. As you can see, this is what I took off of those plants. Enough plant material here to create hundreds and hundreds of new plants from cutting. So the structure of these plants is now more well defined. There's still plenty of cross branching occurring. I didn't prune too heavily, and that's what I would urge you guys to do as well. Err on the side of caution, and instead of over pruning, under prune. You could always maintenance prune like I had mentioned later in the season as things progress. But I got these down now to a nice manageable height, and we should have a great berry harvest this season. Stay tuned for that. I'll be updating you as I do with all the other projects going on back here, so you can see how we do. So thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you're not already, grow some goji berries. They're extremely cold hardy, drought tolerant, and have a myriad of health benefits, vitamins, minerals, all the good stuff. And so with that, this is Dan from plantabundance.com, wishing you all a great rest of your day. I'll be talking to you again soon. Take care.